Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into a super cool and easy physics experiment. A CD or DVD hovercraft. We'll make something that floats on air using a few simple items. It's perfect for anyone curious about how things work, especially air pressure. So, what do you need? First, an old CD or DVD. It doesn't matter if it's scratched, it's perfect. Next, grab a bottle cap. Any standard-sized cap will do. And finally, a balloon. Let's build. Make a small hole in the center of your bottle cap. You can use a drill or poke a hole with scissors. Be careful. The hole should let air pass through freely. Flip your CD or DVD over. Glue the bottle cap onto the center. On the data side, hole facing up. Let the glue dry completely. This is key to making the hovercraft work. Once dry, stretch the balloon opening over the bottle cap. Make it tight so air doesn't escape. Tape it for extra security. This connects air to the system. Now, inflate the balloon pretty full, but not to popping. Pinch the neck to keep the air in. Place the hovercraft on a smooth, flat surface. Make sure it's clean for a smooth ride. Release the balloon and watch. Your CD or DVD should lift off and glide across the surface. Amazing, right? It's physics at play. So, what's happening? It's all about air pressure. When you inflate the balloon, you're filling it with pressurized air. This air flows through the hole into the space between the CD or DVD and the surface. The air is forced out, creating a cushion. This cushion reduces friction. This is what allows the CD or DVD to hover and glide. The air pressure pushes the CD or DVD upwards, counteracting gravity. It's like real hovercrafts. This experiment is a great way to learn about air pressure and friction. You can experiment with different surfaces. Try it on carpet and observe the results. You can also try different balloon or bottle cap sizes. The possibilities are endless. So there you have it, a simple hovercraft from everyday materials. This demonstrates physics. Thanks for watching, and have fun experimenting.